understanding and the launch of the Project BFP Hope Partnership that promises to bring about free livelihood programs.
We would like to express our gratitude to Project Hope for choosing Bureau of Fire Protection as one of the beneficiaries of this endeavor. Congratulations on this initiative, and we look forward to the success of this project. Rest assured that we are here to support your endeavors that will benefit our personnel, especially the improvement of lives and also their dependents.
Para sa kinabukasan at tahanan na ingatan, para sa kaligtasan kabataan, ituruan tara mga kababayan, tayo na magtulungan para sa ikabubuti ng ating pamayanan. Ikaw at ako, tara sama-sama tayo sa pinatalagaan, naghihingal ang mundo, kami di si kapwa tao at magkaisa na tayo, sabay natin sa lubungin ang tunay na pagbabago.